record 951.76 in 2021. So O.P. Karana was saying that what we need along with the quantity is, everyone can't go to an IIT. Everyone can't go to an IIM. My son, for example, an above average student said, I will never do well at the IIT or will never get into the IIT. Chose a different route, the United States, MS, so on and so forth, and did well or is doing well. Likewise, in track and field, what OP says is that we need to also get those 10, 15, 20, 25 who are slightly different from the goods. You need the grades as well. Because the grades will give you the result at the highest level. The types of Neeraj Chopra, for example. So let's take the steeplechase.
Steeplechase, 23 women athletes are competing in this glamorous event. 2,000 meter steeplechase for women.
It is 3,000 meters.
Oh, sorry. It is also, they are competing with men, 3,000 meters.
You're right. What a change this is. I remember it used to be the 2,000 meters, and they're now saying, "Ab bahut ho gaya. We are as good as you." Timing may not be, of course, physiologically. We know that the women are not the same. Rafale चलाते हैं, Sukhoi चलाते हैं, commercial airlines में left side में commanders है, doctors है. Can I take anything more? Fire women है Mumbai में. There are 2 fire women ladies now. How can you leave them out from the steeplechase?
Yes, exactly.
IAS, IPS में है, DGs बन गए हैं, चीफ सेक्रेटरीज बन गए हैं.
They are competing at every step with men. They are, in some places, they are ahead.
Absolutely. So where is the lead now? Suraj Pal had taken that big lead to start off with. We've got the first of the girls on your view. The first of them in the women, Ankita of Uttarakhand in the lead to start off with, but she's got the other girls breathing down her neck. I have never or I have not done this study or a research, Dr. Sinha, but when you look at the boys and the girls from Uttarakhand, particularly we all thought that they were dominating the 5,000, the 10,000 in the marathon. But here it's been a revelation. It's not only the 3,000 steeplechase, but they've even done well in the sprints. We've seen someone featuring in the 100 meters, for example, an Uttarakhand boy. Lakshya Sen, the badminton player, is from Uttarakhand. So it's a fallacy that it's only the hills who do the longer distances. The throws are done by Haryana, Punjab, that belt, and the sprints are done by the South Indians. No longer that, isn't it?
Partially correct, as I think, but still, Uttarakhand hill people, they are good in long distance and middle distance runners, but the Mongolian breeds, which they also live there, and they do well in sprints also.
So 887, but I like the word. He said partially correct. Wanting to obviously please me a little bit, but yes, I agree with you. Yeah, I absolutely agree with you. I think that's the way nature has made all of us. Someone in the United States who's colored wants to beat the white man, and there's a reason for it. Because he was always the inferior man, and today the colored man beats the Americans in the 100 meters. If you have 10 of them on the starting block, then 8 of them are the colored. So that's the word which is used today with respect to them, and what a performance they have come out with. The Kenyans, as you said, the Kenyans, the Moroccans, the Ethiopians, steeplechase, 5,000, 10,000 marathon. The marathon particularly has always been the domination of these countries, barring once or twice where you had Steve Monagatti from Australia winning it, then you had someone from, I think, the United States winning it once, but short of that, it's always been the Africans who have dominated the marathon event. What's it? Today's the 29th, isn't it? You have the Berlin Marathon today. a place where the world records have always stumbled. The 100 meters incident has also been set in Berlin, Usain Bolt's, and the marathon records. Look at this girl now. Now she's got the same plan as Suraj Pal.
But little late, but she is making now comfortable lead, 30 meters or something like that.
And what one sees with this girl, Dr. Sinha, is she's cool like a cucumber. Good action, good knee bend, but I can now sense number 2 and 3 are narrowing that gap. Is that gap good enough? So at the far side, the water jump, the clearance of water jump requires a technique similar to the one used in jumping on and off the steeplechase hurdle. The common practice is to jump onto the barrier with one leg and use the same leg to drive across the water. Ankita, lead may be down, but she is exuding confidence out there. Think tiring a wee bit?
She's after, I think this is her fourth or fifth lap. I don't know the exact lap number.
So they got 2 laps to go, so you're right, absolutely.
Yeah.
And I think to all the athletes, you must give credit. I personally, for me, sitting here, we normally are used to, as commentators, sit in the confines of an AC box. So you don't realize the plight of the poor athlete out there. So today I realized what it means to be running out there, to be throwing out there, and to be jumping out there. High humidity, the temperatures may not be in the 30s, but still, it's a different sultry weather, which is, I think, sapping the athletes.
Humidity is a very difficult stage. You lost more water, more salts, which you get tired. So you need lot of drinks. Lot of drinks means water and some energy drinks.
Rehydrants, as we call them. Yes, so we are now virtually coming to the final 400 meters. We got about 400 and 510 odd meters, I would say, because she's now coming to the 100 there, and then the 400, which makes it 500 meters to go. I don't think anything is going to stop Ankita of Uttarakhand. Held on to the lead out there, continues to hold that lead, and she's doing it in absolutely brilliant fashion. In fact, she's lapped some of them as well. Now to do that, to lap someone in a 8 or 9 minute event, I can understand that you lap someone in a 10,000 meters or a 5,000 meters. But for her to lap someone in a 3,000 meters is surely quite credible. It's not easy. The barriers look very simple, but the athlete, of course, who concentrates, adding to what Dr. Sinha has been saying, needs to be an excellent distance runner, is going to have quite a few attributes. He must be a cross-country runner. Cross-country runners then shift to the 3,000 meter steeplechase. I've always believed, as she now comes to the final 400 meters out here, this girl surely should be a worthy winner in the 3,000 meter steeplechase for the women. Just going back, Parul Chaudhary at Budapest, 9 minutes 15.31. Komal Jagdali, the meet record 9:51.76 in 2021. And just adding to those attributes that the steeplechaser has, you also got to be a good hurdler and must be strong enough to perform efficiently over the water jump. So it's a combination of four factors that you need to have to take part in the steeplechase and go on to win it. The difference is winning a steeplechase and participating in a steeplechase. But it gladdens our hearts out here to see 23 women taking to this event. Where is that wonder girl? She's at the far side. There she is on your picture frame. On the 200 bend, there she is. Slowly but surely, now coming into view. Under these conditions, I've been asking a lot of the athletes. She is finishing there. Bib 887 Ankita of Uttarakhand, in the footstep of some of the male runners, the marathoners. Nitin was one of them. Surinder Singh, the 5,000 and the 10,000 meters. I met him this morning. And then behind her you have a combination there of Sonam from Delhi, and along with her you have BIP 219, Vandana Modi from Gujarat. So that's the way they finished out here. Ankita winning this event, the steeplechase. We still have quite a few of them to go on to complete this. So that's the supremacy that Ankita, the Uttarakhand girl, managed to achieve for herself in this event. So waiting for Ankita from Uttarakhand to be out here to have a chat with us. She won the 3,000 meters steeplechase. We'll also wait for the official timings to come up here, and that obviously would come after the last of them finishes. We still have some of the runners trying to go through the motions of the 3,000 meters. The official results still waiting for them. But as I said, they will only come when the final runner, we still have, I think, 2 or 3 of them to reach the finishing line, and then we get the results. Parul Chaudhary, the heartthrob, and that's going to be the final finish here of the 3,000 meters event. The last of them to go through. Well, I'll tell you something. I must thank Dr. Sinha for telling me I'm getting old. I can tell you that, because he just mentioned that this girl standing next to me is an Olympian. God, can you imagine 985 Olympians since 1928, and you got one of them out here. And the other difference is आई लाइक द वे शी सेज मैं 5000 दौड़ी थी पेरिस में, यहाँ पर मैं 5000 नहीं दौड़ रही हूँ। मैं ऐसी आई थी देखने के लिए कि मुझे 3000 मीटर स्टीपल चेज जमता है कि नहीं है, और जमता है। शी इज गॉन ऑन टू विन दिस इवेंट, शी इज गॉट अ स्माइल ऑन हर फेस। पहले मेरी अपॉलॉजी कि मैं इतने साल कमेंट्री करने के बाद मुझे किसी ने बताना पड़ा कि आप पेरिस गई थी। हम इतने एक्साइटेड होते हैं जब आप लोगों को देखते हैं यहाँ पर। आपने अभी कहा तो मैं ऐसे आई थी, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बताइए।
सर मैं अभी मेरा इवेंट 5000 मीटर है और मैं अंडर 23 इसलिए खेलने आई कि चेक करने के लिए 3000 मीटर स्टीपल कैसे होता है, क्या होता है। तो जस्ट मैंने चेक किया तो गोल्ड आया, पर टाइमिंग इतनी अच्छी नहीं है। लेकिन शायद हमारा फेडरेशन इतना मुझे सपोर्ट करता है तो वो आने वाले टाइम एशियन गेम्स ओलंपिक्स में मैं इस इवेंट में भाग लेकर अपने देश का प्रतिनिधित्व करके अपने देश का रिप्रेजेंट करके मेडल दिलाने की होप रखती हूँ। और मुझे ये इवेंट बहुत अच्छा लगा करके। शायद मैंने 10:17 टाइम दिया, लेकिन आने वाले टाइम में मैं इंडिया रिकॉर्ड को इस नज़रिए से स्टीपल चेस को देखती हूँ और मैं करूँगी।
पारुल चौधरी को मैं जाके बताऊं कि आप बात कर रही है कि उनका रिकॉर्ड आप तोड़ने वाली है?
ऑफ कोर्स सर, वो हमारी इंप्रेशन है और उनसे हम बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, हमारे सीनियर से हम बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं। और शायद आने वाले टाइम में हमारे जो जूनियर है वो भी हमसे कुछ सीखेंगे। तो ऑफ कोर्स
अविनाश साबले से कितना इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है आपको?
वो एक हमारे नज़रिए में वो एक बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं, वो इंडिया के बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर हैं और वो सभी जूनियर को सपोर्ट करते हैं। तो इस मतलब उनमें बहुत अच्छी इंसानियत बोलूँगी मैं, खिलाड़ी होने के साथ साथ वो एक अच्छे इंसान भी है।
मैंने जब रिसर्च किया था, अविनाश साबले 1947 या 1928 से जब भारत ओलंपिक गेम्स में पार्ट ले रहा है, तब से वो सिर्फ 5वें खिलाड़ी है पुरुष में जो ओलंपिक फाइनल में पहुंचे हैं। इससे ज़्यादा और क्या हम सोच सकते हैं? इस अच्छे इंसान जो महार रेजिमेंट का एक सोल्जर है, जिसने सियाचिन ग्लेशियर पे ड्यूटी दी है और जो अब अमेरिका में ट्रेन करता है। थोड़ी निराश हम सब है कि जिस तरह से उन्होंने बर्मिंघम में कीनियंस को हराया था, लेकिन वो दिन शायद ठीक नहीं था, हम स्पोर्ट में समझते हैं। लेकिन इससे ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशन ज़्यादा और क्या दे सकता है वो?
खिलाड़ी के साथ अप डाउन तो चलता रहता है, कभी अच्छा होता है कभी नहीं हो पाता, तो उस चीज़ से खिलाड़ी को भी डीमोटिवेट होता है। लेकिन शायद इससे मैं कहूँगी कि डीमोटिवेट होने का कोई रीज़न नहीं है, क्योंकि खिलाड़ी अप डाउन चलता रहता है। तो जब अप होता है तो कभी हमें इस चीज़ का घमंड नहीं होना चाहिए, और जब डाउन होता है तो हमें डीमोटिवेट नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर हम लगे रहेंगे तो ऑफ कोर्स हमारा रिजल्ट जरूर आएगा।
उत्तराखंड के जो मिट्टी में हवा में क्या ऐसा है कि आप लोग 5000, 10,000 स्टीपल चेस मैराथन जीतते रहते हैं?
मैं अपनी बात कहूँ तो उत्तराखंड एक मेरी देवभूमि है और वहाँ से मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट मिलता आ रहा है। ऐसे ही सभी खिलाड़ियों को सपोर्ट मिलता आता है उत्तराखंड से, और तो इस वजह से भी इम्प्रूव दिखने को मिलता है। लेकिन जब एक खिलाड़ी हाई एल्टीट्यूड में ट्रेनिंग करता है तो उसका इफेक्ट लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस के लिए बहुत अच्छा पड़ता है, और उसकी सहन शक्ति उतनी अच्छी होती जाती है, तो वो ज़्यादा मैराथन लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस करता है।
कल मैंने जब 2 या 3 एथलीट जो जीते थे हमारे चैनल के लिए, जब मैंने बात की थी, तब मैंने कहा था कि मैं इनको नहीं पूछूंगा कि इनका सपना क्या है, कि मुझे सपना पता है, जो अब थोड़ी देर पहले इन्होंने बताया भी। हमारा सपना है कि ये पेरिस में तो जाके आ गई, लॉस एंजलिस 4 साल के बाद है। इनफैक्ट अब 4 साल से कम बचे हुए हैं वहाँ जाने के लिए, और हम यही दुआ और प्रार्थना करते हैं कि इनको हमारी ब्लेसिंग्स है, हमारी दुआ है। और AFI का जो सपोर्ट इन्होंने अभी कहा कि जो इनको मिल रहा है, विमेन की 3000 मीटर स्टीपल चेस एक ज़माने में नहीं होती थी, और अब विमेन भी दुनिया में 3000 मीटर स्टीपल चेस करते हैं। सो ऑल दैट आई लाइक टू टेल दिस यंग गर्ल हु इज बेस्ट फ्रॉम पेरिस, द वेरी बेस्ट फ्रॉम अस। और ऐसे ही करते रहो। जो आप डिसीजन लेंगे 3000 या 5000 या 10,000, वो आपके कोच के साथ, AFI के साथ बिल्कुल जायज़ एक डिसीजन होगा। और मुझे आशा है और हमें आशा है कि आप अच्छा करेंगे। गुड लक टू यू।
सर मैं एक बात और कहना चाहूँगी कि इंडियन ऑयल ने एक बहुत अच्छी स्कीम निकाली हुई है जो बेंगलोर में है। वुमेंस के लिए वो स्कीम है और वहाँ पर उन्होंने एक कैंप टाइप में वो उसको रखा हुआ है, तो वहीं पर मैं अभी ट्रेनिंग कर रही हूँ। इंडियन ऑयल भी एक बहुत अच्छी कंपनी है जो बच्चों को सपोर्ट कर रही है अभी, तो वुमेंस के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म बन गया।